Okay, so let's make a review of this Sprocket 2-in-1. What I got was this one, and let's see, here is, I guess, the viewfinder, the on button, the timer, the on button. This is the camera, which I pretend never use. I just bought this because it's cheaper. Here is the power, micro USB, and this is the way you turn on the printer. And here is the 1/4 adapter, which makes it possible to use any tripod. And this is the slot for the micro SD. Arrived with this cheap micro SD 8 gigs card, which is nothing. I will throw it away. This cable, okay, keep in mind this is refurbished, this is not brand new, but looks like new to my eyes. Also came with this, maybe that's why, because it's refurbished, they use this cheap card. So anyways, also it comes with 20 pages of this and the instructions how to use. So it's asking you to install the app, then it's asking you to remove this cover. Let's see, first time, so yes, you need to push and take out, yeah. And then it's asking you to put here the blue paper. So it's 2 packets of 10. That's nice. These are glued together, so let me use one. You must not touch it, I think. So here it is, right? You have the blue thing. So face it down, this blue thing. Oh, sorry, I'm trying not to touch the paper. Right, it seems like it's all in. Once it's all in, we reinstall. This is how it looks here. It has a small, like a spring. So it's back in business. This says charge it. I already charged for many hours, so should be ready to go. So ask me to pair with my phone. Let's power on. It's on. Now let's see if I can find it. Okay, I found it in my phone. HP Rocket. So I'm pairing, and it's done, I think. Okay, now I will use the app. It's very easy to use. I already had the app because I have another printer. So you can configure many things: the flash, the sound, auto off in 10 minutes. In this case is the longest, but you can set to always on, which I don't want. It's ready 100%. SD card is empty, I don't need it right now. And first print says today, but actually I haven't printed anything. So let me send a picture. What's gonna be good? Okay, let's do a picture of itself, right? Okay, to remember the moment. So let's see, sorry I'm very slow. Okay, so I select the printer, the picture I mean. I'm selecting the printer because I have two. I have another printer, so I need to select the one I want. And you can do tiles as well if you want to select more than one picture. I will give it a try just with one for the time being. And I'm sending to print. And voila. This is the paper that came. Has a temperature that supports, no exposure to sun or live inside your car, no touch with your fingers, and not bent. These are sticky, so that's great. So I don't know if you can see it, but here where my finger is pointing, the printed picture is coming out. And I don't know what's going on here, so let's wait. I don't know, nothing happens. I think I should take it, so I will go ahead and take it. And there you have it. Maybe you cannot see it with your eyes, but I am really disappointed. This is the picture, nice quality, nice colors, and what you get is a very bad picture and kind of bluish. It's kind of bluish and you hopefully it's only because it's the first one and this thing interfere with that. I don't know if I want to print another, but let's do it just to make sure it's not something else. I'm sending another and let's hope for the best. Nope. Same bad results. does not worth it. I will make more prints, but to keep trying, to keep testing, but honestly this is really bad. Does not worth it. My first time with one of these printers, so maybe it is what it is and you cannot get any better, but I saw some reviews and I was not expecting the same quality you get when you go to your photo printer, but I was expecting something acceptable because it's 2x3, so you will say okay, it's 2x3, is even you don't have to print in a great resolution to have good results. But yes, if you ask me, not recommended, waste of money. Thank you for watching.